Hello everyone, welcome back to DevLab. In this video, I will show you how to edit data using bootstrap form, Codigniter4, and mysql database. Let's get started. First, I need to create an inside the student folder, edit.php. Then I need an edit form so that I copy the registration form and paste Ctrl V inside edit.php. I change that edit students date. Then and the button will be edit, not primary is a success. I need to call that edit.php in my controller and routes so that I need a method public function edit. We need to edit students by ID so that put that method as a parameter ID. Return view student folder. Then we need to call edit and my route is copy that, then paste and change that into edit or what you want. But the method will be that edit function. Edit. Refresh. When I click, we don't go the edit form. So I go in my table list.php. Then inside that href, I need to go edit, copy that, then paste, edit. I need when I click that button to take that IDs one or when I click that edit, I need to take that ID so that row I type row ID, refresh, edit. I take the ID number 2 and this is the edit form. Very good. We need to fetch data of that person in this inputs so that close that file. I need to fetch data, copy that model is name, then data your table name student, copy that model, paste here, find by ID. We need to find student's data by ID and then return that data. We need to fetch the data that we take MySQL database in those inputs so that I type value, open, type echo, copy that table, your table name, student as a variable paste here, square bracket, then click structure, copy that your table is column, first name, then I copy that value and I paste here couple of times. This is, I need to fetch that column last name and here email, email, phone number, refresh. You see, we get the data from the database. When I click that person, that student, we see his data. I need to update that data. So that I need a method, public function update by ID, return, not have return. Copy your model name and paste here. I make a variable data. I type here my database columns, my table columns, first name, last name, last name, email, and phone. Then I need to get to type here my input name. This request get post. Copy your input name, paste, and then copy that and paste. Merge your database column and input name. I change that. Copy L name, then paste here. Also email, and phone number. Model update. I need to update that model by ID. Then we need to update that data. After we update that data, we need to go our list.php. So direct to where we need to go. We need list.php. That list, Control C, then Control V. With we need that message. You student data update successful. Semicolon. We go our routes. Copy that. We change that get into boot request. Our method is update. And here go update. The action will occur. Copy that and paste here. And we need to update by ID so that I type student by ID. That's the student. So we need to update data by ID. At the last, I need input. Type is hidden and name, it has a name attribute of method and value of put. Save. Let's we try. Refresh. When I click that edit, I take that ID and the student's data. When I change that into 9999, then edit, you will see 999. We changed, but we need our message. We need to display in our table that message so that we go our list.php and we need to display that message. Open php and close. If is set, get flash date. We copy that status and paste here. PHP and if and close that PHP. Inside that, we need an alert, a bootstrap alert, so that I make if inside that I make a class. It has alert success and the role will be alert. Inside that we forgot column. Not is set session. It's a session. Very good. Inside that I type echo session will be session.get flash data will be status. Very good. We see that when I click that and change that last name, you see that flash date.